Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover permanently deleted emails in Gmail. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately get started. So we all know that when you open Gmail and you click on those three little stripes at the top left corner of your screen, and then at settings you will see deleted emails. However, those are not permanently deleted, those are really easy to get back. But now let's say that you have removed some emails from this trash bin basically, then here's how you can still get those back. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is open a new browser. It can be Google Chrome, Safari, it will all be the same, and head over to this website called support.google.com. Once you've done that, you will find a list of options right here and just click on Gmail, just like this. Basically, once you've done that, what you can simply do is scroll all the way down till you find Fix a Problem and then click on Gmail Messages Are Missing. Once you've done that, scroll all the way to the downside again till you find most of my emails are missing, and then click on We can help you find your missing emails and secure your account. So just click on that, just like this. And basically what you need to do is confirm the account by clicking on Continue, just like this. And then you will right here find Recovery Result. Now for me, I currently don't have any permanently deleted emails, meaning they will not be able to get it back. But if you do have a lot of permanently deleted emails, then what it will say in the recovery result is that you will basically need to wait 24 hours, and then those emails should start to get back basically on Gmail, and they will slowly start adding them back basically on Gmail. So just wait 24 hours and then they should be added back to your Gmail just like they were before. And yeah, that's basically an easy way in order to get them back. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.